Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and this is Jenny, and today I'll be sharing updates from Shopee. So we will have a video time to time so I can relate to you yung mga updates ng Shopee. So I'll be sharing 3 updates in Shopee that have been implemented already. So kung hindi mo pa alam to, I hope makatulong to sa'yo at ensure na you take action once you receive this kind of information related sa update. Malinaw ba? Anyway, so let's start with our first update on Shopee. So, ang Shopee nag-update sila ng SLA for all the sellers in terms of return and refund. So, before, it was 3 days na 3 days, they are allowing the seller to respond within 3 days. Pero with the current update or improvement in Shopee, they are now requiring all the sellers to respond within 2 days. So, in 2 days, kailangan makapag-respond kayo sa buyers nyo when someone requests for a return and refund. Or else, automatic yan, marirefund na agad sa buyer nyo without any discussion. I mean, kahit mali pa ng buyer nyo yun, wala na kayong magagawa kasi na-release na ni Shopee and it's part of their policy na kailangan nating sumunod as a seller. Kaya dapat once you receive a request related to return and refund, make sure to take action as soon as possible because of course, kung hindi naman karapat-dapat ng i-refund, sayang, 'di ba? Lalo na kung mali ng buyer 'yun or sila yung nagkaroon ng problema within the ordering process or the shipment process. And then, it will also enhance your customer service kasi nakikita ng buyer that you are responding well in terms of issues, concerns na meron sila kasi it's part of the process in doing a business in online. Okay, so that's first, yung return and refund, 2 days na lang yung allowed time natin as a seller to respond. Kaya make sure na respond agad-agad para hindi automatic ma-release kasi baka pwede nyo pang gawa ng paraan or meet halfway with the buyer. Okay? So, with the next update, yung next update natin is related sa courier. When you wanted to request a courier. So, this topic is for all the beginners in Shopee that would like to start. Kasi before, if you've watched the video tutorial, yung sa beginners tutorial, sinabi ko doon na pwede ka munang mag-post ng products before requesting a courier on Shopee. Pero currently, I've seen a lot of feedback on that video and then na-realize ko that there's an update again that happened on the Shopee platform wherein kailangan mo munang mag-request ng courier before you can post an item or your product. Kasi before merong option doon ng seller-owned shipping na pwede mong, yun muna i-click mo temporarily para lang ma-up mo yung product and then you can unpublish it while you are actually requesting for a courier. Pero currently, with the update na nangyari, hindi na siya pwede. So, kailangan mo munang mag-request ng courier sa Shopee Help Center. Ayan, sa mga nagtatanong na beginners na hindi alam kung ano yung gagawin nila, mag-chat lang kayo sa Shopee Help Center to request your courier and they will give you a 3PL form na kailangan yung i-fill out para ma-process nila yon for assigning a courier sa inyong shop. And then, doon naman sa mga taong nagtatanong, bakit daw wala naman silang ginagawang request pero meron na sila agad na shipping courier? If that's the case, una sa lahat, congratulations kasi swerte ka dahil meron ka na agad courier at hindi mo na kailangan mag-request. I mean, you can start agad-agad and then pwede ka nang mag-request for additional na lang siguro. That case is happening kasi si Shopee meron yang parang job run in background. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng gumagawa ng seller account or shop in Shopee, automatic meron yan silang schedule na binibigyan nila or ina-assignan nila ng courier. Kasi it's part of improvement or efficiency din sa part nila. Kasi kung iisipin nyo, okay, kung ako si Shopee, like for example, okay, so mga gumawa to, itong mga tao na to is gumawa ng shop nila sa Shopee. So, ibig sabihin, gusto nilang magbenta. At kapag gusto magbenta, kailangan may courier ka. So, ako, bilang ako si Shopee, syempre, gagawan ko ng paraan na magkaroon ng automatic process na bibigyan ko na tong mga gustong magbenta ng courier para mabawasan yung trabaho ko. Kasi isipin mo, kung lahat ng seller sa Shopee ay magre-request sabay-sabay tapos wala kang ginagawang automatic process, sobrang matrabaho yun. As in, sobrang daming request na mangyayari sa part ng Shopee. So, yun yung dahilan kung bakit kayo merong automatic na courier. So, kung kasama kayo sa mga automatic job run ng Shopee, that's great and congratulations, pwede na kayong mag-start. So, be happy kapag meron na. Kung wala naman, request lang sa Shopee Help Center. Okay? So, another update. Another update natin is related sa parang system maintenance ng Shopee. Kung hindi nyo na, ewan ko kung napapansin nyo kasi ako napapansin ko to, time to time nagkakaroon ng parang glitch or system bugs, hindi ko alam tawag sa IT nun eh, yung hindi nagre-respond ng maayos yung Shopee platform. Ibig sabihin yan, maybe it's under maintenance or may ginagawa ang IT on the background sa Shopee platform na nagkukos kung bakit nagkakaroon ng parang nagahang yung Shopee platform or hindi mo ma-upload to, hindi mo ma-select yung category. Pag ganun yung na-experience nyo, relax lang, chill lang kayo kasi ibig sabihin doon may nangyayaring system maintenance or might be system glitch sa Shopee. So, ang gagawin nyo lang pag ganun yung na-experience nyo, kalma lang kayo, inom lang muna kayo ng juice or maybe kumain muna kayo, magmerienda muna kayo. Kasi for sure, babalik yan sa dati. May inaayos lang sila. So, lagi natin iisipin yan na ang Shopee kasi is software, related dyan sa mga software or mga IT things na hindi naman perfect kaya nagkakaroon ng mga issues and concerns sometimes. Kaya kailangan chill lang kayo, patience is a virtue, ika nga. And then, kapag naman meron talagang issue ang Shopee, for sure naman magre-release yan ng mga notification to all the sellers na merong ganitong nangyayari at kailangan nating maghintay or kailangan ng action from our end. So, kapag yung ganun yung nangyayari sa inyo, relax lang kayo. Maaayos yan for sure. Okay? And then, another update na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. So, ayun nga. Alam ko aware kayo doon sa mga pinost ko if nanonood na kayo ng mga video ko na I've challenged myself to yung walang puhunan, road to iPhone. Ayan, so, great news to everybody, lalo na para sa akin kasi na-achieve ko na yung pambibili ko ng iPhone. Konti na lang natira ditong mga pajama, pero ipopost ko na lang to sa Shopee kasi konti na lang siya, hindi ko na rin siya kayang, parang, hindi ko na lang siya ilalad kasi konti na lang, lagay ko na lang siya sa Shopee. Ayun, hintayin nyo yung full video or full vlog natin about it kung paano ko ginawa yung walang puhunan at paano ako nakabili ng iPhone. By the way, hindi pa ako nakakabili ng iPhone kasi we are still on ECQ. Kaya hindi pa ako makalabas. So I hope kapag pwede na, singit ko siya na makapunta sa mall para makabili and ayun, ma-share ko sa inyo yung strategy and diskarte kung paano ko siya ginawa nang walang puhunan. Ayun lang, I am doing this update para sa lahat, para lagi kayong updated. Again, please do like and subscribe to my channel para lahat ng update, happenings, learnings, ma-share ko sa inyo. And kayo din, if meron kayong something to share with me, please comment down below. Ayun lang, happy weekend! Bye!